How to fix my phone won't connect to Wi-Fi or no access to internet problem. So if you're facing a problem with my phone won't connect to Wi-Fi, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Wi-Fi. So you can go with your navigation and then tap on your Wi-Fi option. Go with more Wi-Fi settings. Under that here you will have your Wi-Fi connections, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the settings option, which is on the right side, and then tap on forget. And once you tap on forget, now you need to go back and then you need to simply press and hold on to that power button and restart your device. Once you've restarted, you need to again go with your Wi-Fi and choose the Wi-Fi network which you have just forgotten, and you need to simply enter the password again and tap on connect, and then you need to connect the Wi-Fi again. Now this will fix your problem, but if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the second way that you need to do is check your router. So just go with your router and turn off and then turn on your router and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix you, then you just need to simply go with settings and here go with the search, which is on the upper right, and then you need to search for network settings or reset network settings. Tap on reset all settings. Under that here you will have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on that option and then tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you reset it, it will reset all of your network settings and then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix my phone won't connect to Wi-Fi or no access to internet problems. And if you have any question, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.